When your ductless mini-split system stops cooling or heating efficiently, trust PJ Masks Air Duct Cleaning for professional ductless mini-split repair services in Philadelphia County, PA. At PJ Masks Air Duct Cleaning, we are committed to restoring your system's efficiency while helping extend its lifespan and reduce future repair costs. We work carefully to ensure your mini-split operates safely, efficiently, and at peak performance. Call our ductless mini-split repair team if you have any questions. Are you looking for a ductless mini-split repair near me? You can stop looking. You found PJ Masks Air Duct Cleaning. What are the common signs that my ductless mini-split needs repair? Common signs include reduced heating or cooling performance, weak airflow, unusual noises, unpleasant odors, water leaks, frozen coils, frequent cycling, error codes on the display, or a sudden increase in energy bills. Can you repair all brands of ductless mini-split systems? Yes. PJ Masks Air Duct Cleaning services and repairs most major ductless mini-split brands. Our experienced technicians are trained to diagnose a wide range of mechanical, electrical, and refrigerant-related issues for both single-zone and multi-zone systems. What is your service area for Philadelphia, Pennsylvania? Our ductless mini-split repair has helped clients in Philadelphia, Carroll Park, Haverford North, Spruce Hill, Mantua, West Passyunk, Point Breeze, Newbold, Dickinson Narrows, Hawthorne, Queen Village, Yorktown, East Kensington, West Kensington, Fair Hill, Port Richmond, Powelton Village, Brewerytown, Kensington, Nicetown, Tioga, Pennsylvania. Where is your PJ Masks Air Duct Cleaning office located in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania? We are located at 7708 City Avenue number 206 Philadelphia, Pennsylvania 19151. Our phone number is 610-424-6277. Visit our website, www.pjmaskhvac.com/air-duct-cleaning-service-Philadelphia-County.